Hello there. I'm going to show you how to fix the DISM Restore Health scan being stuck at 62.3%. So the first thing we need to do is open up our search, type in command prompt, right click and run as administrator. There are a few commands we're going to run here. So the first one is net start bits, then press enter. Then net start DOSVC, then press enter. Then net start USOSVC, then enter. Then net start trusted installer, then enter. Then net start WUAU serve, then enter. Then we can run the DISM command again. As you can see for me, the operation has completed successfully. If you find after doing all of these commands, it again sticks at 62.3%. If you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes after doing all these commands, 9 times out of 10, it will actually unfreeze, unstuck, and it will continue to 100%. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like.